Good evening, y'all.
Boom.
So you can go ahead and then you can do a slash dude.
The baby's.
Got the guy.
Why it sound like you echoing?
Grab me.
I said that, nigga.
Field, what
You
are you
dick
doing? Why
sucking,
are you
dick sucking
running?
ass nigga, bro.
Field, why are you running?
Nigga straight dick sucking. Hey, y'all don't be extortion.
Make.
Diddle for me.
Yo, can I get medkit? Can I get medkit, bro? Can I get medkit?
Moment, can you come up and search him?
Thank you, monkey.
137?
Pills?
China, did you start all over?
What the fuck? Y'all fuck?
The motherfuckers are trying to protect the army like they police or something.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
can I have some pills, please?
Fuck off, officer, fuck off. Which officer?
Yeah, just pills, please. Thank you.
Billy's make it. Ali Al-Mufa.
Can I get a med kit, please?
Yeah, he just kissed a
Thank you,
dude,
bro.
gang. He just kissed a dude. That's
Make
crazy.
it.
Good bitches.
Thank you. Do y'all got any pills?
Yeah, hey, he just kissed a dude, bro. That's crazy. Look,
Please
y'all seen that?
Can I
make
get
it.
the teal bottle? Yeah, I got the teal bottle.
Oh, sure. Where is the police?
Bro, he's kissing a tranny right now, gang.
Be scared, alright?
Куда маться? На тайбом говорит. На тайбом говорит. Здесь казику на семья. Hello, Ellie. Well, I did
No, the other teal bottle.
صبح يركس بس إلى ساعة والفي ولينا بلاص تسر للخب سليد له
I'm going back just to kill on-site gang.
لا
Zuna, keep updating the situation on HP with the lobby already.
Oh, that's crazy.
Mr. Black, you're needed in floor 2.
Miss Butcher.
Can I get a med kit, please? Thank you, monkey.
I'm gonna tell your mother.
Tell your mom. What the fuck you talking about?
Hey, can I get a med kit, please? Can I have a med kit, please?
You ain't getting shit, nigga. You ain't getting shit.
Med kit, please. I appreciate you. Thank you.
You ain't getting shit, bitch.
Move.
Officer, fuck you, bitch. Officer, Too loud. Shut up.
But yes, still more than half my head.
I got my free card out, bro. I ain't worried about none of that, bro. Check my resume, bro. I'm a straight murderer, bro. Give my time, bro. I'm ready to get out. murderer, bro. I been told you that, dog.
10-4-97.
Should be a
Disregard
hitman.
Zeno on scene.
I should be a hitman, bro.
10-4.
Copy.
Hey,
Done.
bro. Hey, bro. You know how I be. That guy done it for you. You know who Gucci Mane is, homie? That bitch said, I'm a murderer, but I don't promote violence. Oh, shit.
103 bits more.
Hey, got my way, homie. Awesome.
Dispatches lobsters on our 508-97 at PD. Copy that, 503.